Hi guys, I'm Sean.
And I'm Craig.
And we are Original Flava.
That's right, and today we are making jerk salmon and mango salsa using tough and non-stick the Creuset grill. Take that nice chopping board.
You guys away. Touch Scotch bonnet.
So Sean's just pouring out the marinade onto the salmon.
Don't be afraid, he'll get stuck in here.
And you can already smell the flavours. Turn it around, you've got that nice crispy texture. I'm just trying to get that colour to be consistent all the way through. So there you have it guys, jerk salmon cooked on the fantastic Le Creuset tough and non-stick grill.